Quick question. What's the point of knowing about Nmap if you don't even have it installed? In this video, I'll show you how to install Nmap on Windows, Linux, and macOS step by step, so no matter what system you're using, you can start scanning networks like a pro. By the end of this video, Nmap will be up and running on your computer, ready for action. Installing Nmap on Linux. Let's start with Linux, since it's the most common system for hackers and security pros. On Debian-based systems like Ubuntu or Kali, just run sudo apt update, sudo apt install nmap-y. On Red Hat or Fedora systems, use sudo yum install nmap-y, and if you're on Arch Linux, it's sudo pacman-s nmap. After it installs, type nmap-version. Boom, checkmark. If you see the version number, Nmap is installed successfully. Installing Nmap on Windows. Now for my Windows users, this is super easy. 1. Go to the official Nmap download page, nmap.org/download.html2. Download the Windows installer. Three, run the installer, keep the default options, and finish the setup. After that, open command prompt, cmd, or PowerShell, and type nmap-version. If you see the version, congrats, you're ready to go. Installing Nmap on macOS. And finally, for macOS users, the easiest way is to install it using Homebrew. Just run brew install Nmap. When it's done, check with nmap-version. And that's it. Nmap is ready on your Mac. So now you know how to install Nmap on any operating system, Linux, Windows, or Mac. No excuses anymore. In the next video, we'll start scanning for the very first time, using basic Nmap commands to explore networks. That's where the fun really begins. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the practical lessons coming next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.